Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert tick mark in Word document. For this you need to type 2713 and press Alt and X key all together. This will convert instantly into tick mark symbol. Another code is that if you want to insert heavy tick mark, for this you need to press 2714 and press Alt X all together. If you want to insert tick mark in a box, you need to type 2611 and press Alt X all together. If you had a dedicated numeric keypad in your keyboard, for this you need to hold down this Alt key and press 0252 and then release this Alt key. And then you need to select it, go to the home and change the font size to Wingdings. Here is the Wingding. Click on that. Another way is that you need to simply press the Alt key and on the numeric set keypad press 1 0 0 0 3 and release this Alt key. And then you need to select it and go to the home and change the font size to the normal times New Normal. And here you can see that. Another way is that you need to press the Alt key and press 1 0 0 0 4 and release the Alt key. This will insert the heavy check mark symbol. There is another way. You need to press Shift plus P all together. This is the Shift and this is the P. You need to press all together and then you need to select it and go to the home and change it to Wingdings 2. Here is the Wingdings 2. Another way is that you need to press Shift plus R. This is the Shift, this is the R. You need to press both keys all together and this will convert into the check mark in a box. Make sure your font should be Wingdings 2 like this one. So there is another way. You need to click on the insert and on the right side click on the insert and click on the more symbols. And in the font section you need to select the Wingdings 2 and find the tick mark symbol over here. This is here. You need to click that to insert, close it, and here it is. Again, go to the insert, go to the symbol, more symbol, Wingdings 2, and this is the tick mark symbol in a box. Click insert, close it, and here it is. So this way you can easily insert tick mark in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.